Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel and happy Monday. It is September 24th. It's almost 8:30 right now. I am just about to get ready and I have 3 classes today. So my first class is at 9 o'clock. I'm so freaking tired. Okay. So I usually walk to class, but I think I'm gonna go to the grocery store later, so I think I'm going to drive. I'm gonna be done at around noon today, so I'll just go later. What the heck? Alright, the lighting just got super weird, so I'm going to get dressed and then I'm gonna head out the door. Alright, so I'm just wearing this black shirt and these pants, both from American Eagle. So I'm about to go full Emma Chamberlain on this, but I'm pretty sure it just said American Eagle, and I haven't shopped there in probably 5 years. So I don't know why I said that, but they're definitely from Old Navy. Okay, so it is 8:42. I'm gonna head out now, and I'll see you guys later. So I just got out of class. It is 12:05 right now. I just filled up my car with gas and now I'm headed to the grocery store. I'm going to pick up a few things because I'm really out of food. So I am driving there now. Red light challenge. I am headed to Aldi and I'm gonna get a few things. And then I'm gonna go back and do some homework. So I just finished doing some laundry, as you can tell. So now I'm gonna fold it. Sweet. So it's almost 3 o'clock. I've just been chilling. I had my chill mode where I literally just lay in bed and watch YouTube for like a solid hour. Now I am gonna fold my laundry. I'm going to work on some homework. I actually wanted to make this recipe, I think tomorrow. So I went and got a bunch of stuff for that. So I think I'm gonna prepare that today. Like I mentioned, I was going to make a dinner. It's actually gonna be dinner for tomorrow. So like a crock pot kind of thing. It's like a roast stew kind of thing. So I just prepared everything and I just put it in the fridge for tomorrow. Right now I'm gonna work on homework. So I recently made this fall playlist. It's called Happy Fall Y'all. It has 50 songs on it and it's just a bunch of songs that I really relate fall to, if that makes sense. They're just really fall songs, I think. I have been listening to that recently. It's about 3.5 hours long, so it's really nice. I'm gonna listen to this. I'll have my Spotify link down below if you wanna follow my playlist or follow me. So I'm gonna listen to this and I'm gonna get some homework done and I'll catch up with you guys later. It is almost 8 o'clock right now. I just made a little bit of dinner and I've been on a weird ramen kick lately, but I just made some ramen, but I made like a peanut sauce. So I basically just took like half a cup of peanut butter with a few tablespoons of soy sauce and mix that together. Then I just made the ramen and I put a little bit of chicken in it and it's really really good. So that's probably going to be it for tonight. I'm just going to be watching TV and stuff. So I will see you guys in the morning. What is up, everyone? It is the next day. It is Tuesday. It's almost 11:30 right now. I have class at 12:30, so just about an hour. I just made a little bit of brunch, I guess. An everything bagel with cream cheese. And I have some coffee in my Toronto mug. Right now I'm listening to a podcast. This is Gals on the Go, and 2 YouTubers actually do the podcast, Danielle Carolyn and Brooke Michio. There are 2 people I've been watching for a while, and they just started a podcast, so I am listening to it. So yeah, I really like it. It's really nice to just have in the background, listen to. But I'm going to eat my bagel, and then I'm going to get a little bit ready, and then I'm going to head out to class. Okay, I'm all ready now. I'm wearing... oh, both of these are from Old Navy. So I'm wearing this black shirt and just black jeans. It's 12:10 right now, and I'm gonna head out the door and walk to class. And I'll see you guys later. So it's almost 7 o'clock. I've just been doing some homework, and I've posted up here in the living room. And I got all my Halloween decorations out. Super cute. So yeah, I'm doing some homework. I am watching The Office. And right now I'm going to start eating. Yum. But to go along with it, I like to have these egg noodles. So I'm gonna make those right now so I can have my little stew, I guess. So yeah. Hello, so my finger was over the microphone, so I'm basically just coming on here to say that my dinner was super good. So it just has mushrooms, potatoes, carrots, garlic, tomato paste, some veggie stock, you know, some spices, and I put it over the pasta, and it was really freaking good. Okay guys, so it is 8 o'clock right now. So I just finished cleaning up the kitchen, doing the dishes, and now I'm just gonna chill. I did a bunch of homework earlier, so I am good for now. So that's probably gonna be it for today, and I will see you guys in the morning. Good morning, everyone. It is the next day. It's Wednesday, the 26th, and it's 8:38 right now. I have class at 9, and I'm really tired, and I don't want to go to class. I have class until 12, and then I think I'm going to go to the library, do some homework, and then that's all I have planned for today. So it's like 70 degrees right now, and there's 75% chance of rain, so we'll see what happens. So I'm gonna go head out to class, and I'll see you guys later. So it's been a hot minute. It is almost 9:15 now. I have just been editing this video that you're watching right now, actually. So I'm pretty much done. I just need to like watch it all over again and add these final clips from today. So yeah, I've just been working on that. I just made another bagel with cream cheese for my dinner because I wasn't really hungry, but I'm just gonna go ahead and eat that. I just took a shower. I'm going to blow dry my hair and then I'm gonna get ready for bed. So the first thing that I use is this right here. So this is the It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In Plus Keratin. So since I'm going to be blow drying, I'm going to use this as well. This is the Kenra Platinum Blow Dry Spray. This stuff is basically just like a heat protectant and a detangler. So I like to put this in, and it smells really nice. I'm gonna put on a face mask because my skin is pretty dry right now. So I'm using the Cream Shop Drink Up Skin Animated Animal Face Mask. It's a little penguin, cute. Either next video or the video after that, I think I'm gonna do a skincare routine because I've been using a bunch of stuff lately that I really like. So make sure you're subscribed so you can see that. And I think I'm gonna do makeup routine as well. So those are some videos coming up soon, hopefully. See you in 10 minutes. Now it's time to take this off. Amazing. And that was a great face mask, so I would highly recommend. So I'm almost done editing and I'm just going to wrap it up real quick. So it's 10 o'clock. I'm going to finish editing. I'm going to make the thumbnail and I'm going to upload it for tomorrow morning. So that is going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and make sure you subscribe for more and follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
I only love my bed and my mom, I'm sorry. 50 dub, I even got it tatted on me. 81, they'll bring the crashers to the party. And you know me, turn the 02 into the 03, dog. Without 40 Ollie, there be no me. Imagine if I never met the broskies. God's plan.